So basically, the way you get the trainz add-on to fix, find the Blender trainz exporter thingy. Dude, no, what the hell? Oh lord, no. Oh my god. Basically, you're gonna want to get the trainz mesh exporter. Now keep in mind, I've already done this, so just wanted to let you know. Basically, download, I recommend downloading the trainz export 2012 train simulator 12 thing. Once you have it downloaded, open up the folder where it locates to it. Find this, not just anything, but this. If you already have this installed, then if you already have the exporter installed, then basically just click Windows and R. Go to App Data. Find Local, I think. Oh wait, let me check something real quick. I just checked. Go to Roaming. Find Blender Foundations. Blender, and find the version you're using right now. Specifically Blender 2.79. Go to Scripts, I believe, Add-ons, and then here put anything trainz Blender related into here. Like all of these you're looking at right here. And yeah, the exporter should work now. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.